Hey nieces and nephews, it's your girl Bad on BB here, and this time around I'm talking about a new product that I can't believe I slept on. Being somebody who's overcome psoriatic arthritis, I cannot believe that I'm just finding out about this product. If you know somebody looking for anything that's gonna improve joint health, you really want to stay tuned, so let's get it. So Stem Sense is a dietary supplement from Total Life Changes. It's supposed to support muscle and joints. I don't know why I didn't know anything about it. Like, I've only been taking the products over a year. I feel like this is one of the first things I should have found out about, because I found these products at the time that I was trying to lose a little bit of weight because I thought it would help my arthritic joints. And I was more focused on losing weight than necessarily taking products for my joint health. But disclaimer, none of the products mentioned are going to cure, mitigate, or prevent any disease. I have to give you guys a disclaimer. I'm a total life changer, but I'm not here to change anybody's life in a bad way. But I mean, look at this cute little packaging. It already got me at the packaging because it kind of reminds me of like the raspberry CBD. I just can't believe that I'm just hearing about it. So I wanted to know what the heck is in this stuff that's going to be good for joint health. So let's get into that here. Stem Sense is something that they say stimulates your stem cells. This cellular derived complex is an all-natural dietary supplement that delivers potent anti-inflammatory support, compounds to help relieve joint and muscle soreness due to exercise or aging. I'm doing both. This extremely multifaceted proprietary blend is designed to activate nerve growth factor, or NGF, thus encouraging healthier brain cell communication through the regrowth of neurites, stimulate the growth factors that activate the stem cells in your body, and replace worn out cells to increase mental and physical energy. So I think this is for obviously anybody who's aging and anybody who works out. Those would be the people who are most interested in joint health. For my joints in particular, I already take a collagen supplement and I take plenty of many vitamins, but nothing that necessarily boosts joints or stem cells of any sort. That is what fascinates me about this product, and again, and why I am so crazy for just finding out about this now. Let's get into what's in this puppy. It's got a proprietary blend of which is freeze-dried egg powder, but it's their special blend of supplements. They are made using spray drying in the same way that powdered milk is made. Powdered eggs are fully dehydrated eggs. So this wouldn't be a vegan product. For people who are like straight vegan, they don't do any animal products. This has powdered eggs in it to be used, so you might have to find something that's actually vegan. If you're plant-based, then you'll be fine. The proprietary blend has hydroxytosol. It's often considered nature's perfect antioxidant. I'm all about the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory life. It's one of the key active ingredients in the olive that's largely responsible for the olive's tremendous health benefits. Hydroxytosol is a natural phytochemical with the highest antioxidant properties discovered to date. And a natural extract from the olive fruit with a high level of natural hydroxytyrosol, obtained with the sole use of physical and mechanical processes. Hydroxytyrosol and its derivatives protect blood lipids from oxidative stress. It's got a proprietary blend of Schisandra chinensis extract. It's a fruit used as a food that you can use as medicine. Schisandra is an adaptogen for increasing resistance to disease and stress, increasing energy, and increasing physical performance and endurance. Next is the proprietary blend of Boswellia Serrata extract. This is a plant that produces Indian frankincense. Indian frankincense is used for osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, joint pain, bursitis, and tendinitis. Ooh, child, like this is why I cannot believe that I am just finding out about this. Proprietary blend of Dead Sea Salt. What does Dead Sea Salt do? It can help relieve muscle cramps as well as ease the pain and discomfort of fatigued and tense tissues. Brewer's Yeast. It's a rich source of chromium, which may help your body maintain normal blood sugar levels. Brewer's yeast contains small organisms or microflora that help maintain the proper functioning of the digestive tract. Brewer's yeast is a nutritional supplement and may enhance energy levels and strengthen the immune system. It's a rich source of chromium, protein, selenium, potassium, iron, zinc, and magnesium. So I think that this would be really good for women because you know the Blossomy, remember when I did the Blossomy informational, even though I still haven't taken a full 30-day supply of that because I really want to get approved by my gynecologist before I take that. Chromium is one of those supplements that's supposed to be good for blood pressure and regulating blood pressure levels, allegedly, of course. And then the last proprietary blend in here is Flucoidan. Flucoidan is a substance found in the cell walls of certain seaweed species, used medicinally for a wide variety of health purposes. Flucoidan also seems to provide anticoagulant and antithrombotic effects that improve blood circulation. An anticoagulant, if it's an anticoagulant, anticoagulants are used to stop the blood from clotting, so you don't get like a blood clot, and that could lead to seizures or worse. So how do you take Stim Sense? On the directions here, it says that you take it in the morning, and adults take 2 capsules daily with food or as directed by your healthcare professional. Of course, there's a money back guarantee on this. Since this is the nighttime and I'm recording this, you're gonna have to catch me on social media so you can see me take this every day in the morning, and then I'll probably give you a 60-day review because I really want to see if I experience improved joint health, because I do feel a little bit funny, mind you, with psoriatic arthritis and fibromyalgia. I still might have a few bad days. Typically before I go to bed is when I feel fibromyalgia soreness, but there are days if I'm really bothered, my knees will hurt. I don't really feel psoriatic arthritis symptoms as much, and I do think that is because I did take the initiative to lose weight. I recently did a video where I showed you guys I lost about 10 pounds in a month doing the resolution drop challenge, so I'll leave a link for that video somewhere around here. But I think that because I've been so actively over the past year working on losing my weight and changing my diet to a more anti-inflammatory diet, that I've been getting less inflammation in my body and naturally less in my joints. So my knees have been pretty decent. Like, y'all saw me on Instagram doing the crybaby, you know, I be dancing and stuff now, so my knees are actually pretty decent, and I've heard some really good things about this product. So I'm gonna take this. Follow me on social media so that you can see the journey, because I'm not gonna show you guys me taking it every day here. That's what my stories are for. Or, you know, subscribe to the channel because I post my Instagram stories on YouTube as well. Of course, there's no community without the you and the I. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below for your girl, because I love hearing from you. I do have social media platforms that I love hearing from you guys from. If you want to ask me a question you don't want to leave below. In the meantime, in between time, check out Stim Sense and your girl, Bad on BB. Over and out.